and here are these two, and then we need 4 3 input AND gates. Here are the AND gates. And then we need 2 inverters. And then we need 4 input OR gate. We are connecting them and the AND gates to the OR gate. May call it D0, and this one we can call D1, and this is D2, and it is D3, and we call it S1, sorry, S0, and this is S1. And let's start making connections. So D1 will be connected first input of U1, sorry, D0, and D1 will be connected to the first input of U2. Similarly, D2 to U3 and D3 to U4. And the second input of U1 is going to connect with the inverter. That is, we need when the S0 is 1, we could get 0 at our input, and the last input of U1 is going to connect with the S1 in. When the S1 is 1, we get 0 at the input. And here the second input of U2 is going to connect with the inverter. That is 1. When the S0 is 1, we get 0 at the input, and the last input is going to connect here. That when the S1 is 1, we get S1 at the input, no change. And the second input of U3 is going to connect at here. That is when the S0 is 1, we get the same at U3, and this is going to connect at here. That is when the S1 is 1, we get 0 at our input. And U4, its second input is going to connect here. And from the last input is going to connect. This is our circuit, and we need a resistor. And then we need LED. Here is our LED, and then we need a ground. Here is our ground. Let's check it. For when the S0 and S1 is 0, the D0 is working. When it will be 1, here the LED is brightened, and when it is 0, it is off. And the states of D1 and D2 cannot make any change to the LED. And when the S0 is 1, the D2 is working. When it is 1, we get 1 at our output, and when it is 0, we get 0 at our output. And when the S1 is 1 and the S0 is 0, the D1 is working. When it is 1, we get 1 at our output, and that is LED is blown up. And when it is 0, we get 0 at our output. And others can't make any changes to the LED. The output is not depending on the others input. And when the S0 and S1 is 0, the output is depending on the D3 switch. When it is 1, we get 1 at our output, and when it is 0, we get 0 at our output. And the change in the states of other switches cannot make any changes to the LED. It is our multiplexer, and here is the truth table of multiplexer, which I have verified 2 to 3 seconds ago. From here we can see that the X is don't care conditions, that when our input is 0, 0, 0, D0 is 0, and S1, S0 is 0, our Y, that is our output is 0. And the switches D1, D2, D3 are don't care. That is whether their input is 1 or 0, they can't make any changes to the multiplexer, to the output. Start building our demultiplexer. Just we have to remove this 4 input OR gate, and we need outputs, LED, and here we are going to connect these LEDs to the AND gates. First of all, we have to connect the resistor. I have made a mistake, and we are going to connect resistors. Now we should connect these LEDs to the resistor. And we are connecting these LEDs to the ground. Here is our demultiplexer. Let's check it. You can see that when our switch S0 and S1 is when D3 is working, and when D3 is 0, the LED is off, and when D3 is 1, the LED is on. And for both S0 and S1 0, the D0 is working. When it is 0, and the LED is off, and when it is 1, the LED is on. And whenever S0 is 1, the D2 is working. When the D2 is 1, the LED is on, and when the D2 is off, the LED is off. Sorry, when the D2 is 0, the LED is off. And when S1 is 1 and S0 is 0, the D1 is working. When the D1 is 1, that is the input at D1 is 1, our LED is working, it is on. And when the D is 0, D1 is 0, the LED is off. By the way, we don't need 4 digital constants here, D0, D1, D2 and D3. We can work through only one digital constant. And here is the truth table of demultiplexer. As I said, we don't need 4 digital constant. Can make our circuit with one digital constant. We are going to apply this. Let's see what happened. So let's suppose we have only one digital constant. This is the only one digital constant we have here. Now we are checking this. Since we can see that when the S0 and S1 is 0 and D1 is 1, LED 7 is working and no other LEDs are working. And when it is D1 is 0, the LED 7 is off. And for S0 is 1, the LED 9 is working, and when D1 is 0, it is off, and no others LEDs are working. and when the S1 is 1 and the S0 is 0, the LED 8 is working and no other LEDs are working. And when they both are 1, the LED 10 is working and no other LEDs are working, and when the D1 is 0, the LED 10 is off. Since we have checked that we don't need 4 digital constants,